How to share your Instagram profile cards. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To share your Instagram profile card, make sure your Instagram is up to date. You can do this from Google Play Store or App Store. So after updating your Instagram app, open it. Now here on bottom of your screen, you can see this profile icon. So tap on it. Now on top of your screen, you can see this icon, share your profile card. So simply tap and share your profile card. If you don't find this option, click on this icon, share profile. So click on either of them. And here you can share profile card. You can simply flip this card by scrolling from left to right or right to left. And here you can share profile card. To customize your profile card, tap on this pen icon located on top right hand side of your screen. Now you will see these options, edit profile, change background and change color. So simply tap on any of them. Here I will change color. So tap on change color. Now on bottom of your screen you can see different colors. So tap on any of them. After selecting color, tap on done icon located on top of your screen. This is how you see your Instagram profile card. Now you can share this card by simply tapping on this share icon located on bottom of your screen. Or else you can also download this or add to your story. This is how you see and share your Instagram profile card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.